What if I told you that 5 simple foods could help your body fight cancer? That's right, 5 foods you can add to your daily diet to give your body extra strength in the battle against cancer. Let's get started, beginning with a drink that's been used for hundreds of years. First on our list is green tea. This isn't just a relaxing drink, it's actually packed with powerful compounds called catechins. One in particular, called EGCG, has some amazing benefits. When you sip green tea, these compounds coat your digestive system, which helps protect it from cancers like stomach and colon cancer. EGCG helps by reducing inflammation in your body, and that's important because inflammation is a major cause of cancer. It also boosts your immune system, so it's better at spotting and fighting off cancer cells early on. And it can cut off blood flow to tumors. Basically, it starves them so they can't grow. Just a tip, don't drink it super hot. Let it cool a little to protect your throat. If green tea can do all that, imagine what other foods can do. Let's move to our next cancer-fighting food. Some veggies you might already have in your fridge. Broccoli, cauliflower, and bok choy. These veggies are called cruciferous vegetables, and they're super healthy. They contain a chemical called sulforaphane, which gives your immune system a serious boost. It helps your body fight cancer cells before they can do harm. These veggies also lower inflammation, so they make it harder for cancer to start. And here's the cool part. They stop new blood vessels from forming in tumors, which means the tumors can't grow as easily. Pretty amazing, right? So, when's the last time you thought of broccoli as a superhero? It might just be your new best friend. From veggies, we move to a tropical fruit. Next up, papaya. It might surprise you, but this fruit is a cancer-fighting powerhouse. Papaya is rich in something called beta-cryptoxanthin, which can lower the risk of lung cancer. It's anti-inflammatory and blocks blood supply to any dangerous cells that might be forming. Even better, papaya is low in sugar, so you can enjoy it without any guilt. Add it to your breakfast or have it as a dessert. It's tasty, and every bite is working to keep you healthy. Not a fan of tropical fruit? No problem. Yep, purple potatoes. They're not only beautiful, but also incredibly healthy. Their purple color comes from compounds called anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and cut off blood supply to tumors. Here's something wild. Purple potatoes can even destroy cancer stem cells. These are the cells that help cancer grow back after treatments. By eating purple potatoes, you're giving your body extra tools to fight cancer from every angle. So, next time you see a purple potato, remember, it's more than just a pretty color. Now, we're down to the last food on our list. Finally, we have pomegranates. These seeds are packed with elagitanins, a type of compound that stops blood flow to tumors so they can't grow. Plus, pomegranates support the good bacteria in your gut, which is key to a healthy immune system. For men, there's an extra benefit. Studies show that pomegranate juice can help keep PSA levels stable, which helps lower the risk of prostate cancer. Who knew these little seeds could pack such a punch? So, which of these 5 foods are you going to try first? You have the power to support your body with each bite. By adding these foods, green tea, cruciferous vegetables, papaya, purple potatoes, and pomegranates to your diet, you're taking a big step in protecting your health.